Hello and good day, guys. Sorry I was not available for the last 2 weeks as I was out of station, not being able to do any video. I beg your pardon for that. Let's do it. GBPUSD, we are currently in monthly time frame, and this is the top and this is the bottom we have. But considering the current situation, we are going to concentrate here mainly. It is very clear that there is a double bottom here which has pushed the price like this, and if you see here, it didn't make any double top here in monthly, but there is a double top. I will show you in other time frame, and this double top has pushed the price back here. Now if we see the whole range, we can see that there is a big imbalance has been left monthly here, and if I move it a little bit, you guys will be able this monthly imbalance is coming from the shadow, the lower shadow of this candlestick and the upper shadow of this candlestick, and this candlestick is just exactly matching the top here. So this is the monthly imbalance which the market is supposed to address, and it has been tapped a little by the upper shadow of this green candlestick. Let me enlarge it a little so it will be easy to handle the thing. So this is it tapped here, and once it tapped here, it tried to push the price and it got bearish and coming back here. And also on the downside, if I just move it a little, you guys can see this upper shadow of this candlestick and this candlestick. This is the monthly imbalance left for the whole market. So these are the two takes we have. Apart from that, we don't know why on monthly time frame there is a top here and bottom here, and what pushed the price from here to here and from here to here. And here you guys can see that this green and red and this red, it made a double top here and pushed the price back, but again the price has been resistant, and this is the candle of the current month, this green one. Last month in February the price came down, didn't reach this market imbalance in monthly, this candlestick upper shadow, and didn't address this at all. So the nearest imbalance in the market is here in the monthly, and you guys can see that we have a double top here, and the market supposed to get more bearish. So let's move to weekly now. Now in weekly, you guys can see very clearly that this double top has happened from here, this green and red. So one double top happened here, pushed the price back. Again the price moved on the upward, tried to break this area. It tried to break this area and it failed. And this week, I mean the last week, it has got bearish, this red candlestick. And so officially now we don't know. We have to remove this now because this double top is not applicable anymore. What made this double top, we don't know, because we don't have any reference value here, so we need to find it out. So that is the weekly we have, and in weekly we have certain imbalance at the moment, which is somewhat here. This is the area. Okay, this is the area where imbalance is left, and it tapped a lot of imbalance already last week. Now this is the imbalance left for the weekly. So we need to find what made this guy, this double top, why the prices started falling down from here, what influenced it, and we need to find it out. And this is the monthly imbalance we had. So let's move to daily now. And in daily, it was ranging for a long time. So This was the triangle pattern, and I did mention if it breaks out of here, it will move upward. And as per the pattern, market structure pattern is concerned, it's supposed to move at least, if we see it, let me show you guys so you guys can understand. This is supposed to move equal to this area, but it didn't. It did. It tried to go up, then it got rejected in daily. So let's take out this guy. These are not anymore implicable. The structure has already been broken, so we don't need this anymore. Now, what made this double top? And you guys can see that if we see as a reference value from this area to this area, this is a green and red. So this guy, this green guy, the little one, has stopped the price moving upward. So we have a daily double top here. So let's mark it, the daily double top, and daily we use blue. So this is the double top already happened. So this was the double bottom, and this is the double top officially right now. We are not considering rest of these things because this is the bottom which created this top. So if we measure the range now from here to here, we can see the weekly imbalance is exactly in the 50% area where the price has already reached. So what will happen now? The $1 million question. Let's analyze a little bit more. So in daily, the price came down and tapped a bit of this. This was before, if we see before this was Friday candle. So before Friday, this imbalance was here, and before last Tuesday, it was Wednesday, it was here. Considering this candle, let me show you details. So it was here. The market made a day indecision day, then it came down, taken out the weekly imbalance. Hold on, I need to squeeze a little so I can manipulate it. Okay. So it was actually, it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this weekly imbalance was here when the whole week opened. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it was here actually. On Monday, it tapped here. It got a little bit down. On Tuesday, it tapped here again. Here, so it is taking liquidity from here, and it tried to get bullish, but it failed. Then on Thursday, this is Thursday candle, it again tapped in here, and on Friday again it tapped. And this is the only area we are just left in weekly. If we go to weekly, you guys can see it very clearly. This is the lower shadow of this candle, and the upper shadow of this candle is the imbalance we are left. So in daily, we are here right now. So there is nothing which created stop the price here. Now, if we move to 4 hourly, now you guys can see that these are the candles, this red and this red and green. From here, it got bullish here in 4 hours intraday. Okay. And here we can see the same reaction we are getting from here, that it is resisting the price. This zone is working as a support, huge support here. And in that sense, we can say this double top, I beg your pardon, double bottom has been created by the 4 hourly candlestick. So now we have this daily double top and 4 hourly double bottom. So my idea is this, so far I can understand is this, that price will come to this area. This is 50%, so the price will come here. And after coming here, it will then, depending on the price action, we can see what is happening. And before I go long, on GBP/USD, it is my opinion that it has consistently trying to break the previous low. You guys can see that this is the previous low which has been taken out by this red candle already. Can you guys see? Hold on. If I put a, is it? It has taken out. Yes, I think so. Let's enlarge a little. Is it has been taken out? Yes, it has been taken out by this. So there is every possible chance that if we go to daily, and here you guys can see that a very good imbalance has been left here too also in daily time frame. This is the imbalance already left. This has never been addressed. This candle lower shadow and this candle upper shadow. So if we go to 4 hourly, we can see it very easily that it is trying to tap here. Once, twice, thrice got rejected. It failed to tap this area. Okay guys, this was the first time it tried to tap. Second, third, it never went above this line, above this below line. So wait for Monday, see how the candlestick prints here. There is two assumptions I have. First of all, the price from here will take out this weekly imbalance and will be resisted by these and these guys. These two guys will support, and the most conservative part is the price may come here. And depending on the price action, either it will break down. This is one option we have. The other thing that the price will move upward. So these are the two options we have at the moment. And this one I should put in red. Okay. And the other option is this. As far the structure is concerned, which I have shown that any double top and double bottom has been created, it at least reach 50%. So considering from here to here, this is our 50%. Another thing is this, that the price has tried to break this once, it failed, then it tried to fail, then it successfully failed, break out of these lower boundaries and try to tap this weekly area. And from there, it took the liquidity of this whole area, the liquidity, whatever it has left, has taken, and it tried to move upward. Now question is, the upper shadow is created before coming the price here or later? So if we go to 1 hour, it will be very clear to us, and you guys can see. Hold on, I need to identify it very clearly so you guys do not get confused. So this is our 4 hour candle. So if I go 1 hour, now you guys can see that the price moved upward. So this movement had happened first. Then the market pushed back the price to this extent, the lower extent. Can you guys see now very clearly? Here was the price. It got bullish. Market didn't allow. The seller took the control and pushed the price back on the downside, and the seller took the control from here. But when it tapped to this weekly zone, we are in between the monthly and currently weekly and daily imbalance at the moment. The buyer came in and pushed the price back here. And if you see very carefully, this line was the most important vital line, because it tried to break here, took the price above here, and came down, retested this area, and it failed, again moved up, and then the seller pushed the price here, taken some liquidity on the weekly imbalance, and then moved on the upward, and successfully able, the buyer has taken control to put the price above this line. And this is the thing where I am giving the concentration at the moment, that if you see the green, the red, So first hour, second and third hour, we want to complete another 2 candle here in 1 hour time frame. Or if we see in 4 hours, let's remove this now. We want to see a red candle whether successfully able to sustain above this line or break out this line. If breaks out, then it will come like this. If the red candle breaks out of this area, this line below, then it will come and retest this area. And after that, maybe because there is a very big resistance here, so I beg your pardon, support here, you guys can see a common support zone is lying here. So if we do that, we have to see the price action here, and another option is this, that it will go up from here. We would like to see a red candle like this coming down here a little bit, then go up, retest this line and fails to break this line, then it will move and tap in this area. And after that, we have to decide based on what is the candlestick printed here. So I don't want to move beyond that. This is the second option I have in mind. So for the time being, GBP/USD, there is no trade at all on our table. We wait and see another 2-3 candlesticks here. That if the candlesticks fails to get below this line or remains above this line. And if goes below this line, we are expecting something like this. And if it remains above this line, we are expecting something like this. That's it from GBP/USD. And if there is any update, I would like to update you again, guys. Thank you very much.